Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Sam here. As I promised yesterday, I think, I'm gonna put some of these like gates and logic gates, sorry, but and things together and just the uses for them. And one thing that I forgot to add in the other video. So this this is the X NOR gate. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is the XNOR gate. You flip a switch. If an or, I believe, is the term. So like, oh my god, diamonds. But it's a gate where if you flip one switch, you only need one switch out of two to be activated to uh, change the like negative and positive. So if I were to flip this switch, the same thing will happen. You just go over here and then the door is open. It's like magic. So that's the gate. I'll probably make, I don't know if I'll make another video or something to like show you how to make this stuff. I don't know if it's necessary. You can just get them off schematics offline, but maybe I'll do it just for fun. Okay. And then this right here is an AND gate. You have to have you have to have both of the switches flipped for it to do anything. So let's go. You flip one switch, nothing happens. And then there's the other switch, and you're in. Sweet. Got through the door that goes nowhere. Yeah, you just need to flip. If you flip one switch, one's down and one's up. It doesn't matter which one's up and which one's down. It it won't work unless you have both of them. Sorry for that. This is an SC lock. It looks kind of complicated and weird, but if you were to have like, I don't know how you could use this like correctly, but this, I should have labeled these things, but this is the lock and unlock thing. So like this is the lock or unlock, and this is locking it. So let's see, you have this button here, and you want to get through that door, and you click the button. The door doesn't open. You go to this side, you click this button. It doesn't open. See, it's on lock right now, but when you unlock this torch goes off. You flip that button, it lets you through. Flip this button, and it opens up. And then you lock it again. It won't let the current go through there. And I'll just show you how to make this quick. It's an AND gate on top of like just 3 torches here. So there, and then a block there. Torches all on these blocks, and then wire connecting that, and then you have 3 blocks on top of the torches with torch there, torch there, torch here, and redstone wiring in the middle. And then from there you can hook up a door or anything, a piston if you want, and then you could put levers on everything. Like you can have the lock and these two ones to be levers, but I think that's kind of stupid because one, you can't differentiate the two, and two, it's better as a button pretty much. A lever would keep it on and you have to flip the lever again. Okay, so now this is just a piston that I'm using, so it's unlocked right now. Flip it, piston turns on. Flip it up, you can't, it doesn't work. So that's another thing out of the way. This is a latch, and it's used, so you pretty much hit the button. It's a memory, okay, wrong one. It's a memory thing where when you flip the switch, it reverses the current from this side to this side. So if you had like a door there and a door there, it'd be like a challenge back. It could have, oh my god, you could have like a maze would be one thing. Like you'd have a door there and a door there. You'd flip the switch, and if you went in the wrong room, you'd have to flip this button so you can get back into the original room. I didn't want to make a whole thing out of it, so I just kind of left it. And then this is an effective use of an AND gate, or AND gates, I should say. But the biggest fault in this is that you can just flip down all the switches, to make it work, but I'm going to show you this first, actually. So I have these levers and the AND gates, and so you have each lever goes to this, and then I'll flip this. It turns off that one, but it keeps the current the same down through, and it's same for that one. So once you flip both of them down, I don't know why that door didn't open, but it should have opened. Whatever. So there's current here now, and the same thing for this. I could have made more combinations, but you could just flip them all down. I could have 10 other levers here that do nothing, like this. And in the same way, you could flip these down. You could just have all of them flipped, and you'll be able to get through. So that's the one downfall of this. There's a way to overcome this. You have to have 2 blocks behind all of these. I can't do that now with all this redstone, but you have the 2 blocks there. Screw it, I'll just make one. You go up 2 blocks back. You put a torch here, or here I guess would be a better place. Put a torch there, and then let's say you have a 2 lock combination, like there's 1, 2, 3, and you want the combination to be 1 and 3. You just put redstone pretty much in all the places, and then it'll go from there, and then you'd have to invert it. Well, I guess if you want to, you can invert it if you want to, just depending on if you want the thing open or closed at that time. And then you come over here and like have it connected to a door or something of that nature. Well, I'll just hook up a piston. Say if I have a piston there. My God. Oh my goodness, what is... Okay, well, now we have the combination set up. This will not work if you flip all of them down. See, like if you have all of them switched, that, like this stays powered because the redstone wire is connected to this one that is flipped down. But if you unflip it, it'll stop powering that redstone wire, and it'll carry the current to the piston, which is kind of interesting. It's kind of complicated the way it's used, or it's actually simple. Is what I was trying to say. It's simple, but you just don't think about it. Like this is how I remember I posted a video before, like locked hallway or something like that. I should probably take it off actually because it's stupid. It's too simple. It's oversimplified. I think I'm gonna remake it and have this system like made into it. So yeah, that's pretty much all the things that, not all of them, but it's all the ones that I wanted to do right now. I have a crap ton of stuff set up right now. Like I have this. I just built this. Like, and I can't believe I built a whole thing for that. That took me way too long. It took me like 15 minutes, and I shouldn't have taken that time. Oh, and this failed. I was trying to make a door to a bridge that would use the combination that I was showing you before. There would be a combination. But what I didn't realize is when I was building this, I realized that I completely messed up on this, and most of it was pointless. So I just kind of got rid of most of the redstone, and like I might use this, like what I have done now, in that combination, because I think I way over complexified it. That's the word I'll use. Complexified. And then I was working on this. It's just a lava bridge, but it failed completely. I used the wrong gate. I used a XOR gate instead of an AND gate, which is very stupid of me. Wait. What is that not doing there? Well, I think I figured out what was going on with it. Well, if this works, I'll be a genius. And really stupid at the same time. Yep, I'm stupid. Okay. Well, yeah, this is just all the stuff I've been working on. Random crap, or not working on, but what I showed you before. I showed all of you guys this, and then this is the continuation of what I was showing you before. I'm like, oh wait, yeah, you can do that and that, and it didn't work, obviously. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to rate, comment, and subscribe, and just so you guys know, I love you all, and I hope you enjoyed this video.